Hello, and welcome to the Sigenergy Gateway Home Installation Guide video. This series will demonstrate how to mount, wire, and commission the product. Unpack the gateway and check the items in the package are complete. Remember to check for any damage. It's important to select a suitable installation site. In accordance with the requirements outlined in the guide, Sigenergy Gateway should be kept at a distance from other equipment. Sigenergy Gateway should be installed vertically. Prepare the following installation tools before installation and required cables in advance. Take out the bracket at the back of gateway. And mark the installation position with a marker pen. Drill a hole with an electric drill. The diameter of the hole should be 8 millimeters and the depth should be 55 millimeters. Drive expansion screws into the wall. Remove the screw rod of the expansion screw. Hang the bracket on the wall and fix it with a screw rod. Tighten screws with the screwdriver. Hang the gateway on the bracket. Tighten the screws at the bottom to secure the gateway. The gateway has been successfully fixed to the wall. Next, let's start the wiring procedure. Note, make sure all equipment is disconnected from the power source before wiring. Open the cover of the gateway. Unscrew the 4 screws and take out the inner panel. Prepare the PE cable. Remove an appropriate length of the jacket and crimp tube terminals. At the other end of the PE line, crimp the OT terminal. Connect the PE cable to the PE point. The other end of the PE line is connected to the grounding bar of the gateway. Prepare the AC cable for grid, inverter, backup. For L1, L2, L3, and N line, remove an appropriate length of the jacket and insulation layer from the wires. Crimp tube terminals. For PE line, remove an appropriate length of the jacket and insulation layer from the wires. Crimp OT terminals and install heat shrink tubing. Unscrew the corresponding ports to facilitate wire entry. Connecting power grid side AC cable. Secure the wire to corresponding terminals. Secure the PE cable to the grounding bar. Unscrew the corresponding ports to facilitate wire entry. Similarly, connect the AC cables on the inverter side and backup side to the corresponding breakers. Then connect the AC cable to the non-backup terminal. For RJ45 cable, strip an appropriate length of the outer jacket and insulation layers from the wires. Connect the cable to RJ45 connectors. Crimp the RJ45 connector using an RJ45 crimping tool. Unscrew the corresponding ports to facilitate wire entry. You can disassemble the terminal and put the RJ45 and DI/DO cable in. Insert the connectors into RJ45 network ports. Then installing the inner panel of the gateway. Please turn on the switch of the gateway and power on strictly in accordance with the instructions in the user manual. Congratulations! The gateway has been successfully installed. Now you can see in the My Sigen app that the gateway has been automatically connected to the system.